Excuse me. Can we get out of the bag of carrots? I'm trying to make chicken noodle soup, and this guy here, stop. This guy here will not get out of the food. William. He is obsessed with carrots. Always has been. But the thing though is, I already gave him food, as you could see, because this is all the stuff that he ate. He had his own carrots, and then he had some cereal, cornflakes, and now here's a bag of peppers that he's digging through. Hey. Oop. Oh, surprise, surprise, I'm crunching on something that you threw. William. Look. Why are you acting like you've never eaten before? What is going on? Are you just in a mood to make a mess? We're trying to make food here. We're trying to make dinner. We're gonna have chicky dinner. Stop! You're bold. Now I gotta clean the whole kitchen. Thank you. And then we got Bug, who is in his cage because he wasn't behaving well either. The boys are being so bad today. And then we got little Miss Queenie, who's just hanging out, being good. She's the only good one. Right? That's because you're a girl. Yeah. We got two big, bold boys. Look at you, even got carrot on your face. Look, come here. Got carrots on your face. You're so bold. I wonder if he's more playing than trying to actually eat right now. I wish you would be this aggressive and stuff with toys so that we could grind your beak down. But no. If it's mine, then he has to destroy it. And he knows this.